Good day, sir. My name is Rilyn Quintanes. We are going to report about operators, float, and FLs. So, let's begin from the operators. Operators are special symbol in programming used to perform operation on variables and values. In C++ code example, the program calculates the total cost of food items and remaining change using three main types of operators. First is assignment, and arithmetic, and stream insertion operators. First is assignment operators. The equal sign copy in the value on the right into the variable on the left. First is and burger equals 45. And juice equals 25. And chips equals 30. And payment equals 150 payment. Second is arithmetic operators. These operators perform standard mathematical calculation. And addition, we were going to add burger plus juice plus chips and add prices. Together we define the total sum, which is 45 plus 25 plus 30 is equals 100. In subtraction, we're going to subtract and for the payment. Subtract the total cost of the cash given to calculate the change, which is 150. Subtract 100 is equals 50. The change will be 50 pesos. Next is stream insertion operators. Used with code to send data to the screen for output. Next take string like remaining change, which is 50 pesos to the consoles. Output the calculate variable values like change directly to the user. First with and L to insert a new line break. And let's proceed to the float. Float is the keyword stand for floating point number. It is fundamental data type in C++ use store numbers that have functional parts of decimals, which is for purpose. Unlike int, which is only store whole number like 100. Float allow handle precision values like accuracy, rates, or measurement. Next is code application. Float total cost equals 100. Preserve the decimal precision. Float service charge rate equals 0.055. Holds a percentage multiplier, which is 5.5%, and prevents mathematical truncation error. For example, is multiplying the integers by 0.055 would discard the sense if stored back into an integer. Next is FLs. FLs in programming, this is known as conditional control structures. Purpose is it allow your program to make decision and execute different block of code depending on the whether a specific condition is true or false. Code application. The condition if payment greater than equals final bill, we check if the money provided is enough. So that the branch is payment 120 pesos is greater than or equal to final bill, which is 105.50. It is brand payment accepted. So false branch niya is it's If the condition fail, if payment was only 50 pesos, the program skip the first block and execute the else block, printing insufficient payment. Let's proceed to the purposes. First is operators. Operators are action word of programming. Their sole purpose is to manipulate, change, combine, or assign values. Without operators, data just sets they are static and useless. And how it's work in daily life. Thanks of operators as the physical tools or action you use when managing your routine. Every time we go to the grocery store checkout line, your brain uses the addition operators to sum up the cost of your items. When you hand over a 150 pesos bill, your cashier uses the subtraction operator to subtract the bill total from your cash to give you a change. The assignment operator is imagine packing your school bag when you physically place a notebook into your bag. You are assigning this object to a specific container. In code, just means take this piece of data and store it inside the containers. Next is float. The purpose float is a data type of stores exact measurement containing functional parts of decimal. Its purpose is to provide precision when whole numbers or integers are simply not accurate enough. How it works in daily life. We live in world of decimals. If we only use whole number, our daily system would collapse. Buying groceries and gas. Think about buying foil or item price with cents. An item doesn't always cost exactly 100 pesos. It might cost to 105.50 that 0.50 required upload. So buying, baking and cooking, if a receipt calls for 2.5 cups of flour using an integers means you either choose 2 cups or 3 cups. The float allows you to get that exact 0.5 cup measure. So, body temperatures and health. If you are checking a child temperature, a reading of 37.0 degree is healthy, but 37.90 degrees is low grade fever. The tiny decimals difference matters, and that is what float tracks. Next purpose is FLs. Instructions is a selection control system. Its purpose to create the choices. It force a program to look at condition. Evaluate is a true and follow the specific path based on that evaluation. Your brain runs millions and internal FLs script from the moment you wake up. It is lateral autonomy of a human decision. The morning alarm, if it is 6 a.m. and Wednesday, then you get out of bed for school. And else is in the weekend, then you turn over sleep in. The rainy day. If it's the rainy outside, then you grab your umbrella before leaving. Else, it's sunny. Then you leave the umbrella at home and wear sunglasses instead. And that's all.